Hello everyone, welcome back. So far we have learned path parameters and query parameters separately. Now let's put together and clearly understand the differences. And here's the easiest way to remember. This is path parameter. It is used to identify one specific resource. We have this endpoint books, and then after that /1 you can put here different number 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever number of books are there. This will give the book whose ID is 1, 2, 3 and etc. Then we have query parameter. It is used to filter or search resources. This is an example. You have this endpoint books, then you have question mark and search is equal to, you can write here, let's say you want to search a book named Python. So you can type that, or if you want to search it by author, so you can even search it by author and you can write here author name some XYZ, or let me write there Alex is the author. This is the difference between the path parameter and query parameter. Think of it like this: path parameter, which exact item you want or which exact book you want, that is book number 1, and query parameter is which matching items you want. So if there are different or there are more than one author named Alex, you will get all the results in this query parameter. Let's start now. So I have also taken one dictionary here that we are going to use for this path parameter and query parameter search. This is the dictionary books, and there are 4 keys here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each key has this title and author. This we will be using. Let's make import statement. First I am going to import data type any from typing. From typing, import any, and then from FastAPI, import FastAPI, and I will also import HTTP exception. Now let's define our app. App is equal to FastAPI. This will create our app. Now let's look at the example of path parameter. I will write here path parameter example. First, let's define the route to get one specific book. I will write here @ I will call this app.get, and then I have to define the endpoint. This is the endpoint books, and now I will define the path parameter, and in the curly braces I will write here book ID. Book ID. Notice here this curly braces means a path parameter. Now let's define the function. Define get and get for book, and this will take the same parameter book ID that we have defined here. It has to be same as it is. I will write here book underscore ID, and this is going to be of data type integer. The expected output of this function will have data type dictionary. Keys are going to be string, and then values can be any data type. So FastAPI will take the value from the URL and convert it into an integer using this int. Now let's check if the book exists. If book ID not in books. So we have, I'm talking about this dictionary. If the book ID is not in this dictionary, we have only 4 IDs here. If you type 5, so it is not there. What it should return, I am writing that here. If book ID not in books, then you have to raise HTTP exception, and then in this I will return status. Let's say status underscore code. This is the parameter, and I will write here 404, and then also the next parameter detail. The detail I will write here book not found, and if the book is found, then I will simply return a dictionary, and that dictionary will have book underscore ID. Book ID is going to be book ID, and then keyword argument star star, it will fetch the information of that book from that dictionary book ID. So our function is now complete. Now let's test this. So first I am going to run this function. You have to put here comma. Yeah. Now let me run this function. I will start a terminal now. FastAPI dev main. This will start the FastAPI server for us. Might take a few seconds. Path does not exist main. Oh, okay. I have to write here main.py. Sorry for that. FastAPI dev main.py. The server has started. Now I can just copy this URL from here and then I'll go to a browser. Let's say this one and I'll paste it. Now here I have to go to that URL books and then here I can type any book number. Let's say 1. And here I'm getting book ID 1, title Python Basics, author is Alex. And if I see here for the book ID 1, title is Python Basics and author is Alex. Let me search title number 4. It should give me Advanced Python by John. Let me write it here. Right here 4. And then here you can see this book ID 4, title Advanced Python and John. So this is path parameter. Now let's look at the example of the query parameter. First I will comment here query example. Now let's define our route app dot get and the route will be same. It will be books. Now this time we are not, if you see the difference here, this time we are not giving this book ID because this is part of path parameter. And now we are talking about query parameter. So this will not come here. Now let's define the function. I will define here, define search underscore books. And then this will take the parameter search and the data type is going to be string, or it can even be none. Or it can be by default none. And then the expected data type will be a list of dictionary and this will have data type. Key will be string and value is going to be any data type. Now here this search, this str none is equal to none means search can be a string or it can be missing. So the query parameter is now optional. Now let's define the condition. If not search, then return what it will return, list of books dot values. If no search is provided, then we should return all books. Otherwise, let's write the condition and here I will make a variable results and then I will loop through all books for books in books dot values. Now I will check if the search word appears in title or author. So I can write that here if, and then I will write the search condition, if search dot lower, I will convert everything to lower, search lower in book in title, then title also I will convert to lower, or search dot lower in book author, and this will also be then converted to lower, then return result or append results dot append book. So if it finds it, then it will append the result into this empty list here. Server has started. Let's go to this URL, and now here you can type. So for example, books, then you will write here question mark, and then search is equal to Python. So here you see you get the output title Python basics, author Alex, then again title advanced Python, author is John. Wherever you have this Python in books, you will get the output. And as also see, look at the other examples. This now here I will search for this author is equal to Robert. So this search is equal to, I put here Robert, and here you will see I'm getting this title clean code and author is Robert. So this is an example of query parameter. Remember, path parameter, one specific resource. Query parameter is about filtering or searching. That's the easiest way to understand them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.